We start with the 1 hour chart. First of all, if you refer to our last analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was within this correction. We have been looking for buy at the price of 0.0029. And we mentioned with the target, we put it at 0.0034, following by 0.0038. All right, at the first target and second target. This is what we have been looking for. And as we can see, because we mentioned we're looking for the long-term trade, and this is what we get. And the reason was, if we move to daily chart, I mentioned we're looking for this daily correction. That's why I mentioned if you get any trade setup based within this correction based on lower time frame, you will take it. And this is the target as the first and the second target. This is what we have been looking for. Anyway, for those traders, they get the trade. If they want to keep the trade, maybe they should move their stop loss to. If they take out the trade in the profit, good for them. But if still they want to keep the trade, at least book some profit. And now we want to see what's the next, because we're looking for this one as a reversal. Okay, and right now the only thing is we want to see the breakout of the previous top, which is this one. That means we want to see the breakout of the previous top, either from here, which is 0.0047. We make it as exact value 47, following by 0.005. All right, we want to see the breakout of this zone. This is what we're looking for. And if we get any correction from here, still we can look for continuation. Okay, the only things right now, if we want to consider this one as a reversal, we need to see the breakout of the previous top. If there is a breakout, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. Anyway, we move to forward chart. You want to see how we can look at the, I mean, whether we can get any trade setup to look for buy or not. This is the zone we're looking for. Just now I mentioned we want to see the breakout of this zone. And if we refer to the indicators, MACD doesn't show us the divergence, but another indicator showing me the divergence. That's why we are not going to care about the divergence based on this indicator. Still, we're looking for continuation. And right now, we can look at this one in relative to this. Any trades for buy, we will take it. Any trade for buy within this range, we will take it. Either this one turn to a deeper correction, or even if we get any trade setup for buy from here, we will take it. This is what we're looking for. And if I move to 1 hour chart, we want to see how we can look at this one. We don't need this one anymore. It's right now we can look at this one as a flat, as a first correction and the last. That's why we can look at this one as if like any trade for buy from here, we will take it. And with the breakout of the desktop, we start to manage it. We're looking for continue. I mean, as I mentioned, with the breakout of desktop, we start to manage it. That means we move our stop loss to break even. Then from there, if there is a breakout, then from there I will give update how high it can go. But what we should know that in the bigger picture, we want to see the breakout of this zone. And right now, if we're looking at we're looking for next trade from here. This one is as a short-term trade. At least we should move our stop loss below this or below here. It depends on the traders in terms of the risk and reward. But we should know that if we take the trade from here, we need to see the continuation as a sharp move. If it turns to a corrective move, we are not going to keep the trade. And with the breakout of this top, which is here, we move our stop loss to break even and just let it go. Anyway, if we see the breakout of this top, then from there I will give an update and we see what's the next level we're looking for. But in the bigger picture right now, we're looking for the breakout of this zone. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.